Hi, welcome to Hardy Classics, and today we have got another classic here. It's one of my own. It's a 1936 Series 1 Morris 8. This car was owned by me, and you can see the last tax disc I had, it's hard to say that, is in 14, when you had to tax them. That was the last time it was on the road. Prior to that, we did a lot of work to this car. I've got to remember back now. We had the engine out, and we sent the engine away to, I think it was Northern Rebores, who totally stripped it down and rebuilt the engine. I think at the time it was about 1,500 quid. New pistons, the ground, the crank, just the general stuff. But just a nice little car, especially when the sun's shining. So we'll have a quick walk around it. General appearance of the car, pretty good. It's nice and level. The timber frame, the ash frame, is in good condition. What does tend to let the car down a little bit is the paintwork. I'll just show you. If you look at this wing, there's one or two blisters on this wing where the micro blistering, and this door, which is really funny because the bonnet hasn't been affected, or the scuttle, and the back half of the car, it just seems to be the wings, all four wings, and the two doors. So I can't quite work that out unless the guy who had it before us, and it was this guy here, you know, painted these in a different paint, or it was in a different atmosphere in his garage, and it was sucking water or whatever, I don't know. But right, we'll start the front of the car. Chrome work on the lights is okay. Obviously it's come off on the radiator grille, but I don't mind it brass. I think it looks nice. The registration goes with the car, CYE 999. So if you've got an ambulance or something, you can buy it for that. Moving around the car, have a quick look under the bonnet. We've put a brand new SU fuel pump on it, and those you'll know they're not cheap, a couple hundred quid. A new battery on it as well. So between the battery and the fuel pump, I think we've just spent about 300 odd quid on them two little items. But it's off the button now. It was just withstanding. Like I say, the engine had a full engine rebuild, and I think we did about 500 miles in it or something like that. So again, it's probably not really run in. Walk down the sides of the car again. There's a little bit of blistering on this side as well. And again, this swing. So really, to sum it up, the paintwork's not the best, but it's usable. You know, you could take it to a car show, you could drive it to the shops, you could use it, which a lot of people, you know, are quite happy to do. They're not really interested in winning a trophy at a show. Round the back here, you've got your little luggage rack. I think there's a spare wheel for it. Wheels and tyres. Tyres were brand new. They've still got the little bobbles on them, as you can see. So the tyres were new. We've just done the brakes again. A couple of leaky cylinders, we've just done them. So the brakes are okay. Interior wise, open the door and you have a look. It's pretty tidy in there. No rips or tears. I think it's done in vinyl. Gauges, I think they all work. I'm not sure. Again, they are pretty temperamental anyway. 3-speed gearbox, so it's got the original little 3-speed in. There is a modification you can do to these, where you put the 4-speed gearbox on. You've got to get the prop shaft chopped, and it does make an awful lot of difference. And personally speaking, if I was going to buy this car today and use it, I would do that. So there you have it. To sum it up, Morris 8 Series 1 1936, usable car, pretty cheap, new hood, for sale at Hardy Classics. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. Bye bye now.